everyone, Audrey Lee, and we are on the Glide Terra. And we are going to do some light movements to release tension in the back from a laying down position. So, to get there, sitting, feet are on the board, knees are bent, take your hands underneath your knees, and then with control, slowly lower your body down. If you're on a Glide Terra, you can place your hands to the rails and the sides with a little bit support. You're going to draw your feet in a little bit closer to your body. And this is called a bridge. What you're doing is you're going to lift your thighs, your hips, your belly, and your chest. Take a nice deep breath and then lift your body up. Remember to have some space between your chin and your chest. And if you are on a Glide Terra, you can rock side to side. Take a little bit of balance, a little bit of play, and releasing in the low back and breathing into the deepest part of your belly. So I'm turning my head to look at you. You don't want to do that. You want to keep your head resting on the board or on your mat and looking up to the ceiling so that your neck is in alignment and you're not straight. And you're going to lower yourself down to the board or to your towel or mat. And then, for a little more release, hug your knees into your chest. Feels good on the low back. And from here, you can hold those knees and you can circle one direction and circle in the other direction. Coming back to center, we'll do that bridge again. Placing your feet onto the board or onto your towel or mat. And then slowly lift the thighs, hips, belly, chest. And then for this one, you can walk your shoulders in a little bit closer so you can lift up a little bit higher. So remember to keep some space between your chin and your chest. Take a nice deep breath in. Deep breath out. One more breath. And then slowly lower yourself down. Knees into your chest, light rocking side to side. It's really fun to do this on the Glide. And then circling. Start with small circles and you can gradually increase the size of your circle, one side and then the other. Notice how your body feels, notice how your low back feels.